Good morning, everyone. Lisa Hurley here with York County Development Corporation. I am joined with Laura McDougall, the Executive Director with Four Corners Health Department. We partner, we do a lot of collaboration, and today we've been working on identifying funding sources for a project down the road. But I wanted to give Laura an opportunity to share what she does, and three specific things that she does to help businesses in four counties, and we're fortunate that they're actually located here in York County. But I'm going to turn it over to Laura. Tell us three things you do to help businesses.
All right, thanks. Well, I'll start off with Worksite Wellness. We provide programming, and one of our public health nurses goes out to businesses and helps businesses to support their employees in living healthy lives. And we find this is really very helpful because it not only includes the employees but ripples out into the families. So we're looking to build healthier communities. The businesses have an opportunity to do an assessment to find out what their employees really need to be healthy. And then the businesses make their own choices then to support the health of their employees, whether it's policy, maybe it's a wellness campaign. It's really up to the business to decide what would work best for their employees.
Perfect. That's number one.
That's number one. And that's one of my favorites. The number two is we're active in disaster preparedness and response. So through the years, we've responded to outbreaks of communicable disease or infectious disease. We've responded to tornadoes and floods, and most recently we work with businesses too to help them prepare for disasters that happen in the communities. So we help with continuity of operations plans, and especially when we're talking about infectious diseases, that's not normally a disaster that comes readily to mind, but it's one of our main focus. Is even with the flu, you can have a lot of employees be sick, and what does a business do to get your employees to work? But we plan for major disease outbreaks as well with businesses.
That was 2 and 3, right? Disease and
and then no, we also do something else with diseases because we are public health and trying to make sure the communities are healthy. We actually follow up, and this is a lot of work we do behind the scenes, and often can be working with businesses as well, but we do it behind the scenes, and hopefully it never hits the newspaper. We follow up when laboratories are testing people all throughout our counties. We follow up when there's a reportable disease that is reported by a laboratory or a doctor. This could be things like a salmonella outbreak, an E. coli outbreak, mumps, or whooping cough. But many times we have to work with businesses to make sure that those diseases don't spread within the community or within a business. Keep your employees coming to work.
So I guess I would like to say, if you're a business in York, Seward, Polk, or Butler County,
Yes.
here in Nebraska, I've got it right, and you want some assistance with keeping your employees healthy or planning for a disaster, make sure that you reach out to Laura and her team. Otherwise, if you're outside of this area, I know that you have a health department somewhere in your area, a health district, I guess I should say.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Laura. I appreciate it, and have a fabulous day.